puffing steam just like a cloud. Clickety-clack, the wheels go round, over bridges through the town. Children waving as we pass, hello train, they shout at last. Engine, engine number 9, racing down the railway line. Choo-choo goes the whistle loud, puffing steam just like a cloud. Over hills and through the trees, chugging quickly in the breeze. Counting carriages as we go. How many? Let's count them slow. Engine, engine number 9, racing down the railway line. Choo-choo goes the whistle loud, puffing steam just like a cloud. Now we're at the station door, stopping gently, hear that roar. Thanks for riding, everyone. Riding trains is so much fun.